Okay, nice. So let's start the chapter. That chapter 8, how the organism reproduce. So maybe we have done till where budding na, regeneration. I think we have also completed segmentation. We have completed the spore formation. Yes, from vegetative propagation we have to start now. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Yes, guys. I am so sorry. I was having some problems. So let's do. Just wait a minute. I have to do one thing. Just wait a minute. Uh, One time you can see this. Um, Guys, let me upload the link. 1 minute. So yes, I think we were on this vegetative reproduction propagation. We have to start this vegetative propagation. So in this method, new plants are produced from the vegetative parts of the plant like root, stem or leaf. Example from roots, dahlia, potato, from stem potato, ginger from leaf, bryophyllum begonia. So guys, in this method the new plants are reproduced. इसमें new plants जन्म लेते हैं. That new plants are reproduced, that they are producing from the vegetative parts of the plants, like vegetative parts, for example the stem of the leaf, like root, stem. uh, for example, this is a box. I think you can see this box. Let me increase the screen once. Yes, you can see this box. For example, I am including that this is a stem. This one is a stem. If this one is a stem, and this one is a stem, and a root. For example, I have planted a tree of tomato. So tomato will grow on the stem, and some कुछ वहां से डंडियां निकल जाएंगी, डंडे निकलेंगे. So on that, the the tomato will grow. So in this they are telling, in this method the new they are telling, in which new organisms, in which the new plants are produced by the vegetative parts of the stem, like potato, ginger from leaf. Okay, like example are bryophyllum. So guys, I think you can see this one picture. Yes, this one now, where the arrow of the mouse is there. Okay, where is the where I have placed the arrow of the mouse. That one is a bryophyllum. That is the bryophyllum. Okay, that is a bryophyllum. Guys, now next part we will see. Plants produced by vegetative propagation produce flowers and fruits earlier than those produced from seeds. It also helps in the production of plants which do not produce seeds, like rose, jasmine, banana, etc. So guys, what they are telling? Now what they are telling? Um, Now they are saying that the plants produced by the vegetative propagation to produce plants. And in this, one more thing, note on one more thing, that plants in this flowers, that flowers also grow flowers, fruits earlier than those produced from seeds. जो फ्लावर्स उसके अंदर जो सीड्स उग जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल टोमेटो है, टोमेटो के अंदर स्मॉल स्मॉल वो है, that there are small seeds from that a plant can grow. Okay, there are small seeds from the tomato can grow. Okay, like banana. I think the at the downside of banana the that is there. Which what is there? Huh? At the downside of the banana, at the downside of the banana, the a seed is there from the banana tree is grown. Okay. Next, now vegetative propagation can also be done artificially by cutting, layering, grafting, etc. जो yes, वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन ये ऑटोमेटिकली हम आर्टिफिशियल हम घर पर कर सकते हैं, घर पर. इट कैन बी डन एट होम बाय लेयरिंग. द मेथड्स आर कटिंग, लेयरिंग, grafting, etc. Okay, I think it's clear to you. Yes, I think it's clear to you now. It's clear to you now. Yes, it's clear. Okay, now let's move further in sexual production in flowering plants. Yes, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. 1 minute, guys. I have to again share the screen. Just wait a minute. I have to again share the screen with you. Just wait a minute. One time you can listen the song. Yes, guys. Now here is a screen with you. Now sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Guys, I will upload this link, this PPT link in the. I will upload this link in the description box. Just wait a minute. In the description, I am uploading this link. Today there will be no. Just wait a minute. Today there will be no whiteboard screen. Let's see. Now I have uploaded the link here. As you can see in the description box or in the chat box, I am also uploading. Okay. So the stamen. See, reproductive parts of a flower. अब इसमें ये बोला हुआ है that reproduction part of a flower. Now then, the stamen and pistil. The stamen and the pistil. Sorry. The stamen and the pistil are the reproductive parts of the flower. Stamen is a male reproductive part. It produces pollen grains in the anther, which contains a male germ cell, that is male gamete. Pistil is the female reproductive part. It produces ovules in the ovary, which contain the female germ cell, that female gamete. See, gamete. The stamen and the pistil. The stamen and the pistil, they are the two main parts. They are the two reproductive parts of the flower. जो stamen and pistil है वो दो main parts है plants के. They are the two main parts of the. They are two main parts of the plant. They are the two main parts of the plant. Um, First is stamen and second is pistil. They are the two reproductive parts of the stem. Next is stamen. Stamen is a male reproductive part. जो stamen है वो male reproductive part है stem का. That is a male reproductive part of the stem. It produces pollen grains in the anther. जो stamen है वो pollen grain produce करता है. It produces pollen grains. It produces pollen grains in the stem. I am repeating again. Who are not listening, once they can listen. That just what is the function of stamen? A question can come. A question can come that what is the main function of stamen? What is the main function of stamen? Oh, यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन अराइज हो रहा है. A question is arising here, guys. That stamen produces what? I am 1 minute. I think I am uploading in chat box once. One time I am uploading it in chat box. Stamen produces what? And I am pinning this question. Today in this topic, we will do this. What stamen produces what material in the plant? And I am also giving the answer here, that are pollen grains, as you can see in the chat, guys. Okay, I am pinning these both messages. Okay. Um, that stamen is a male. That stamen plants. And here is a question with you. And answer is pollen grain. Class, you don't think that I am not seeing you. I can see you. So I have pinned this message as you can see. Okay, a question can come here. In chat box, I will place all the question. Okay, now just we can talk about now anther. That stamen produces. Now next question can come. They see stamen is a male reproductive part. It produces pollen grains in the anther. Now next question can come. That that this that the stamen that the pollen grains are produced where pollen grains are produced where, as this question is arising here in this paragraph. Many questions are arising, guys. Many questions are arising. Many questions. Where? So one time this I am showing the answer in anther. Okay, in anther. All questions I will. Okay, in anther which contains a male germ. The pollen grains in the anther. It is जो pollen grains है वो anther के अंदर प्रोड्यूस हुआ और जो anther है वो मेलजम होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेलजम सेल दैट इज कॉल्ड मेल फीमेल मेल गैमीट. नाउ पिस्टल इज द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. नाउ पिस्टल है जो वो फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है सेल का. प्लांट का फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है. सो एज यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम. लेट्स 1 minute I can zoom. Just minute. Wait a minute. See, now I am moving the screen. Oh, 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 okay. I think you are able to see that. Yes. See, as you can see here, that pistol. First time this pistol. Just wait a minute. I will show you afterwards. I will show you. Okay. See, now pistol is a female reproductive part. जो पिस्टल है वो एक फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है that produces ovules in the ovary, which produces ovules in the ovary, which produces ovules in the ovary. Okay, I am uploading this question also. That many questions will arise here, guys. Pistil produces what in plants? So questions are raising, guys. Many questions will arise there. So and the answer will be what? That ovary is produced there. Ovary, ovary, and I am uploading the answer. Ovary, that is ovary. Okay, I think it's clear to you. Uh, I think one person has joined. Can you tell me the name? Hey, who is the? Hey, which children is there? Can you tell me your name? Write in the chat box, please. See chat as see the which question I have seen. I am also seeing showing you the question side by side here. Okay, the stamen and pistil. I think yeah, you have studied all it. Ovary which contain the female germ cell. जो ओवरी है वो क्या कंटेन करता है फीमेल गैमीट इट कंटेन फीमेल गैमीट ओके सो लेट्स मूव फर्दर नाउ लेट्स वी स्टडी अबाउट द प्रोसेस नेम pollination the pollination the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower is called pollination so one question arises here okay a question is arise here let's wait a minute what is pollination okay and what is pollination it is a process it is a process of transfer of pollen grains that transferring of pollen grains from the anther to stigma from the anther to stigma okay ofa flower flower see here that is the question what is a pollination I think you all can see this what is pollination transfer of one time I am again showing to you that is called pollination so let's move further then. I am hiding this question. If anybody wants to note that, they can note down. Okay. So you all can note down that. So it takes place by wind, water, or insects. That it takes place by what? Now, next question is